So welcome back, BMF Speed Shop. So thanks for subscribing and watching my videos and all that good stuff. So let's get right to it. This is the 66 Pontiac LeMans. I got the vinyl top off the car. So I thought I'd give you a walk around and show you guys why I hate vinyl tops. So I was really worried about these areas of the car. You can see there's a couple little holes here, but really a little patch and that'll be good to go. A little rust in there, got some rust over in there, some more rust over here, and then I was working my way forward. I was actually feeling pretty good at this moment, and I'm like, oh man, you know, this isn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. So I got up here, we worked our way forward, and then I got up here, and I'm like, what's this stuff right here? And then I was like, bam. And I was like, bam. And, yeah. Somebody patched the roof with fiberglass and then put a vinyl top right over the top of it. Good thing before I even came out here is I already found a whole new roof skin for $300. And I did some digging down in here, and everything in the inner structure still looks pretty decent. And everything on the outer structure and this window channel is toast. But they make all this, so it's all going to get new metal up there. There's no way. It's getting a full roof skin, both rear quarters, full floor pan, front to back, and some partial rocker work. The doors and front clip I found are actually not original to the car. Well, the doors are, but the front clip are not. The seats and the front clip are actually from 1967, as one of the video watchers told me. This is my first Pontiac, as I stated, so I had no idea. But yeah, this is actually, you can see right here, things look funky. And when we looked at the car, we actually noticed that something wasn't right. And we were like, man, it looks like this thing was hitting the front and somebody put a different front end on it. And I noticed also that all this was gold underneath the black, and that the rest of the car was blue under the black. So we had a pretty good suspicion that something was up with it. Does look like it has a brand new transmission in there, brand new tranny cooler, all new lines, and the engine, it's got a nice rattle can rebuild on it. So fingers crossed maybe that the engine and tranny are good. It's about the only hope we got right now. And yeah, needs pretty much everything. So stay tuned. I'm going to buy pretty much one piece at a time. I'm on a limited budget, so I don't even know where to start. I think I'm just going to continue the tearing apart before I start ordering anything. So stay tuned. My buddy's going to hopefully come and help me tear out this rear defrost glass, because I'm a little worried about that. I've never even seen rear defrost on one of these. And then get all the chrome off, and then I'm going to zip strip the thing. And then we'll really see what I got working with. So stay tuned. Hopefully give you an update after this car is further along stripped and up in the air on jack stands, and we can see underneath it. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.